Hi guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. Down here, got a head gasket issue on this car, and basically all three cylinders are running 100 psi, which is perfect, but there's some sort of leak. I don't know if it's a head gasket or what, but there's obviously white smoke. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this to the test. I'm going to buy this, which I just bought, shove this in and see if this stuff actually really works. There's coolant leak repairs, which obviously this is a coolant leak, but I think it's probably broken a little bit on the cylinder maybe, or on the actual gasket, and it's obviously leaking antifreeze in, and that's what's making the white smoke. So I'm going to pour this into here, engine coolant, and basically fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. So we're going to run that in a minute. I'm going to do that now. Right, so obviously what you've got to do is you've got to leave the engine running, put it in cold, leave the engine running, and wait until the fan kicks in. So let's just see how it goes. Right, the car has been running for about half an hour now. I can still see steam just by running like that, and I can also still smell it. So I don't think it's worked, but let's just check if it's hot. So I haven't heard the fan go in yet. There's quite a lot of pressure on there. Well, all I can do I suppose is just rev it and see. Smoking, I can still smell coolant, so it clearly didn't work. Nah, what a joke. Look at that. So K-Seal did not work for me. Right guys, looks like I've lost another 600-700 quid now from another car. So not just the Mini, now it's this. So I'm going to have to take the cat off, return that, take the wing back, even though I've thrown the box away. Not sure how I'm going to do that, but I'll work it out. I have to wrap it up really well. Spray paint I've already got as well, so I have to return that and all. What a joke. Right, so that's a wrap then guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. See you later.